What's up, guys? I just took two losses this week. One on Monday and one today, Wednesday. What's up, guys? Your boy DY, and if you are seeing my video for the very first time, my name is DY, and I'm documenting my journey here on YouTube, my first journey here on YouTube. And I would love if you guys subscribe, like, comment, to share your thoughts, and turn your notification bell. So, welcome to the month of April, and happy new month, guys. And this month of April, I've taken one trade, which is the trade I took today, and I took one trade on Monday. Yeah, on Monday was started. I took one trade, and those two trades, they have been losses. Yeah, they have been losses. So, and I've not taken any trades throughout last week, but this week I've taken two trades this week, and the two trades I've taken this week are losses. And I'm going to show you guys shortly in the chat. And also, I'm not taking these trades in any real accounts. I'm not taking the trades in real account. I'm taking the trades on a demo account that I'll be using to check if this strategy I'm currently learning, the win rate and the rest, because I'm done backtesting it, so I'm just taking trades with strategy right now on the demo account before I get a pro firm. For those of us that might be wondering which account I'm trading it on. Now, the first trade was on Usdjpy, and it's the trade showing on the screen right now. Then while the other trade was on Gbpjpy. So I took that trade today, Wednesday, 1st of April, and the trade showing on the screen right now. So now we are going to dive into the chart and see the reasons I took this trade. Currently, guys, the pair on the chart right now is Usdjpy, and we are currently on 4 hours time frame. And firstly, what I do is that on 4 hours time frame, I go to the 4 hours time frame, look for a break of structure, then look for the other block on 4 hours time frame, then mark out that other block. Now, this candlestick here was the 4 hours other block here. So I marked out the lowest point because I don't enter, I just go to the 4 hours time frame. If the stop loss is a bit big, I don't enter on the 4 hours time frame. Then I go to the 1 hour time frame to find my other block. So then I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, so this trade on Usdjpy, that was break of structure. Then this was the refined order block, while this was lowest point on the 4 hours candle. Remember that four 1 hours candle, they make a 4 hours candle. 4 1 hours candle make a 4 hours candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I marked out the other block. Then this was basically the gap between the first and the third candle, showing that the other block was valid. That is this gap here between the first and third candle. That is my other block was valid, and there was liquidity, the part label and break of structure. So then I placed my bet to waiting. So the market came, then tapped me in. Then after tapping me in, then went about 1:2. Let's check. It's went about, because the stop loss is 18 point something, just 18 point something pips. Yeah, went even more than 1:2. Yeah, went even more than 1:2, then reversed, then took me out. That was the trade I took on Usdjpy on Monday. Yeah, on Monday. So that was the trade I took on Monday, and it clearly did not work out. Then took me out, then rallied up again, then came down, took me out, yeah, then rallied up again, then came down. So that was the trade on Usdjpy, that the first loss I took on Monday. That is the first trade I took on Monday. Yeah, so that was it. So let me just delete these ones, guys. Yeah, let me delete these ones, guys. Then so that was the trade on Usdjpy. So clearly what market is doing right now on Usdjpy, what market is doing is that there's a market structure shift here. Yeah, market is changing direction from that point here. So market is changing direction. There's a market structure shift here. That is MSS. Yeah, but it's not Messi, it's not Suarez. So for those of us that watch football, MSS, market structure shift. So that's basically it. So that there's a break from there. So that was the trade. So there's a market structure shift. So clearly we have to be like looking for a downward opportunities now, because market's clearly shifting down to like to a downtrend. So that was it on USDJPY. So now next is on Gbpjpy. Now Gbpjpy was the trade I took today, Wednesday. Now this trade on Gbpjpy, same stuff. Now on Gbpjpy market, so on Gbpjpy market is clearly on a downtrend. Yeah, it's clearly on the downtrend. From this point you see that market is on the downtrend. So then I was looking for a way to enter the market. So what I basically do is that wait for a break of structure, which there was a break of structure at this point. Then look for my imbalance. Now on the 4-hour candle, like the 4 hours order block was this candlestick right here. That was the 4 hours order block, this candlestick right here. So then that was the 4 hours order block. Remember I told you I'll just mark out the point just for my stop loss placements. Yeah, I'll mark out the point. So then that was it. Then I'll go to my 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, what I basically do is that I'll just refine the order block. Then on the 1 hour time frame, look at my order block right here on the 1 hour time frame, this one, and this is the gap that market has to fill, like the imbalance that market has to fill. So that was it. Then my liquidity, so market swept it. Then now for those of you wondering, the reason I place my entry inside is just to be more conservative, so that the stop loss will be a bit smaller. That is the reason, because like I've done like several backtesting before I start doing this stuff. Remember, like I've done several backtesting, and market tends to like tap in to this middle, like that black line that's showing there is like the middle of the other block, like half, like the middle of the other block. That is black line that's showing there. So then this one, market didn't even give me opportunity to even move in, just like, so market just tapped me in, then was heading straight to SL. Then after that, then came back again, then on little profit, then for market finally took me out. So those are the two trades I've taken this week. Yeah, those are the two trades I've taken this week. One on USDJPY and one on Gbpjpy. But this one on Gbpjpy, I feel like market is heading to this other block that is at the extreme top, because there's another other block at the extreme top. So let me show you guys on a 4 hours time frame. Sorry, if you see, I already labeled that part market structure shift here. So I feel like market is heading to this other block right here, this 4 hours other block right here. I feel like market is heading back to this point so that we can start selling again. So that is what I feel market is about doing, and market is currently at this point here. So, and free market is heading back to this, is heading to this other block here. Then I'll still take this here if market comes back to that place, because this other block that is there, that other block that is there, is a valid other block, and there's an imbalance between the first and the third candle, and clearly there's liquidity here, this point here. So that is basically it, and that is it for the charts. Guys, those are the two trades I've taken this week, one on USDJPY and one on GJ. So the one on GJ, if price goes to the extreme order block there, I'm still going to take this here. And so just for clarity, I'm not taking this trade in any real account or profit. I'm just taking this trade on demo, and I've been taking since February or probably January, since February or maybe January, like I can't actually remember. I've been taking trades on this demo account. Yeah, I've taken trades using this same strategy that I started learning this year, SMC this year, and I've been taking trades on the demo account, and I've taken, because I haven't gotten any real account, or I have not funded Yeah. So I've taken the trade I took today is making it 8 trades. That's taking 8 trades, and out of that 8 trades, 2 of those trades, because I journaled them down, 2 of those trades are breaking even, 3 are winners, then while 3 are losses. Yeah, so that is like 3 wins, 3 losses, and 2 break even. So in a standard point of view, remove the break even. If you remove the break even trades and you have to like use the 6 trades, like 3, that is 6, then 3 losses and 3 winners, it's going to be a 50 win rate at that point. But if you're adding the break even trades, that is 8, then you have 1 theory, then 3 divided by 8, that is approximately, I think, theory 38%, maybe 38%, but just do the math. Yeah, just do the math, 38%. And if you have watched this video up to this point, I'd love if you guys like, comment, and also subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that this video can get to other people who might find this video so interesting. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Roger that. Bye for now.